What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kirstie'sKarz. This is a quick little recap on my sister's 69 Nova. We did the hood on it in our previous videos, and I think it just came out great. For a garage rattle can paint job, not too bad. Satin black, it could use some polish, but heck yeah, we got it done. For today's project though, I had to roll out the El Camino, clean up the shop. I'm going to be taking a look at the Subaru. I have 3 boys in this household, but the only one who wants to help me is my daughter, Maya. She's my #1 helper, my biggest fan, and I love her to pieces. Alright, so, got the Subaru in here, this flipping hub assembly, which I did the driver's side a while ago, but I was like really lazy and I just didn't do the other one. I forgot about it. Ugh. Got my helper out here, Maya, and we got our little space heaters, 1, 2 behind her, and the little Vortec over there, #3, and we're just out of propane, so staying warm the way we can. Anyways, got my helper, we're gonna get going. Alright, so obviously I do all the work on my car myself. So I installed my D2 coilovers myself, and obviously I can't do an alignment. So I've just been making do by scribing bolts to ensure that I don't mess things up. But I've obviously messed this up. This tire has serious wear on the outside, so the camber's off, my alignment's off, etc. Either way, I need a new tire now. All the rest of the tires are brand new. First things first, remove the crimp in the axle nut. Screwdriver hammer time. Have your helper hold the brakes and then break it loose with an impact or whatever you got. What do you got?
I got ice.
He used to pop it to make tiny ice cubes that you can just pop out. That's pretty cool. Pretty ingenuitive. Anyways, yep. Axle nut off. Now we just gotta remove the caliper, this mounting bracket. It's kind of dark over here. We're gonna get a light put up, but this mounting bracket that holds the caliper on, and yeah, pull off the brakes, pull off the rotor. Shabam shabada. Let's go. Alright, so I just got the caliper off. It's 2/14, and then after that, pull the caliper off. I put it, hang it up nicely in there so that it's not falling off or just dangling there. You just don't want it dangling, for sure. But my brake pads look pretty decent still, so that is good. Good news. Gonna get this. How low can you go? Gonna get this caliper mount off now. I believe it's like 15, possibly 17, but I will let you know. So, where's my 15s and 17s? Okay. Now I remember why this sucked on the other side. Oh yeah, gonna have to use a wrench. 17 wrench. Oh yeah, I grabbed them. Cause I'm on the game. Bam. So the top one, you gotta use a wrench. That top, or the bottom bolt is perfectly in the way of this caliper mount bolt. So 17 on the bottom, you can get it with a ratchet, and then 17 with a wrench on the top. I remember that now. Yeah, that sucked. This one seemed to be a lot easier than the other one we did. Oh, I spoke too soon.
What?
Ooh, baby.
What?
That is on there. So top one, use a wrench, 17, and then this bottom one right here, just those two, connect this caliper mount bracket thingamabob. Exactly. So this is coming off, and then the rotor will just come off.
Yeah.
Boop, boop. Alright, so in order to even reach the nuts in the back that hold the hub assembly on, you have to give the axle some wiggle room. So I chose to take the strut tower bolts out, I scribed them first, and then when you release them, the whole hub assembly kind of releases and it gives you a lot of wiggle room. You could pull the axle completely out, but you can actually get to the nuts without pulling it completely out. So that's what I did anyway. Once you break those loose, then it's pretty much just stuck on there. So grab a hammer and get it off. Alright, compare and contrast. Here's the new bearing. Listen. Super quiet, super stiff, really hard to spin. You feel like tension on it almost. It feels nice. Old one. That is something you should never hear. Wow. I mean, I really have to give the Subaru props because it's been driving all right. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, ugh, definitely didn't sound like that. I've never heard one like that, and I've done a lot of them. So that's just horrible. Like, if you ever, like, yeah, that is way past overdone. Like, just a little embarrassed to pull that off, honestly. But okay, let's throw this puppy back on. Pretty much clean off this dust shield, throw it back on the new one, and then reconnect everything the way you took it off. Easy peasy. Let's go. I'm just like getting all this brake dust filled up, etc. Off here. God, that sound is horrendous. Good to go. Good enough to go where it's gonna go, which is way back there where nobody can see it. She feels so much better. And like it would always pull hard, obviously, to the right. And now I'm driving straight. No hands, people. Oh, it feels so good. I'm super pumped. Gosh, it feels so good. Like, yes. Just gotta keep plugging away at it, one thing at a time, you know. She's getting old. I gotta keep taking care of her. I mean, it's been forever since I think she drove this kid. But I did push out my camber a little bit so that it'll be riding that tire on the inside instead of the outside, which also helped eliminate my pull problem that I had going on there. So, I mean, it feels a lot better. I got something done, and that is always the goal, you know? I just wanted to chime in real quick and say that the next goal is the El Camino. Because I might have somebody come help me with it. Totally stuck on doing it all myself and stuff, but like I said, it's totally my year for help. So I might have somebody come and check it out for me, try and give me a hand with it, because I could use a hand with it. I'm honestly just don't understand electrical stuff, and it's just not my forte. So I mean, I'm more like body work and like freaking hub assemblies and stuff. Like the way funner stuff. Nah, I really want to learn electrical, so that's why it'd be cool to have somebody who knows what they're doing to teach me and to help explain this to me, because I don't get it, you know? But I went around and checked all my strut bolts. It's good if you do them yourself to just give them a run over again, you know, every so like 6 months or so. That's how I feel about it. I'm sure there's like a mileage thing that they say specifically check, but I don't know that, so I just like keep an eye on everything and am constantly looking over things. So yeah, while we're down there, checked everything out, rotors look good, brakes look good, so threw all that stuff back on there, ready to go. Need a new tire. I do need that, it's my fault, I did it. But now that I got the bearing in, I'll get the new tire, go get an alignment, whoosh, and call it good, you know? You just gotta stay on top of things, but when life gets crazy, sometimes fall behind. So fix your mistakes, fix your problems, come out with a solution. Well, thank you guys for joining me. My little crazy videos of nonsense or whatever, but it was fun, and I appreciate you guys watching and cheering me on. And this week is Hot Rod Week, so I'm gonna be tackling this 74 Nova or the 71 El Camino this week. We're gonna be getting something done, something big, something moving in the right direction. And yeah, we just want to feel the success of getting anything done on these bad boys. So that's what we're gonna do. Hell yeah, you guys rock. Can't thank you enough. Oh, Pops, I'm gonna get this thing running, man, I promise. This week, man, this week's the week. Yes.